in their working agenda. We are looking forward to new cooperation projects at the national level, which will benefit the economic growth of both countries.
Foruma sagatavošanas gaidā līdzās mums ir ekonomikas ministrija, tāpēc labprāt dot vārdu ekonomikas ministram Artim Kamparam.
One of the co-organizers of the forum is the Ministry of Economy of the Republic of Latvia. Therefore, it is my honor to give the floor to the Minister of Economy of the Republic of Latvia, Mr. Artis Kampars.
Dāmas un kungi, labrīt! Katra liela lieta sākās ar vienu spēcīgu pārliecinošu soli uz priekšu, jo fakts ir tas, ka Ķīna ir pasaules lielākais un straujāk augošais tirgus, šobrīd otrā lielākā pasaules ekonomika, bet šeit nav šaubu ekspertu vidū, ka jau tuvākā laikā Ķīna būs lielākā pasaules ekonomika.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, it is no doubt that the big things start with small but firm steps forward. I think nobody here has any doubts that China is one of the biggest markets in the world. It is also the second largest economy in the world, but I don't really think anybody here has